This is the tomb of Ramses IV in the Valley of the Kings in Egypt. So after a while, by the time of the New Kingdom, they figured out that pyramids were just giant markers for grave robbers to come and steal all this stuff. So they moved out to this desert valley. It's a little more isolated. Then they started building these underground tombs, digging them under the ground, and digging them under the ground. Yeah, and then and putting booby traps in for grave robbers and stuff. So that was the idea behind the Valley of the Kings. This was much later. This was like during the time of the New Kingdom, which was the last series of dynasties in Egypt. So yeah, things are very well preserved here because of the dry atmosphere and the fact that they're underground. You can still see all the original paintwork here in these ancient tombs. So yeah, there you go.